Articles. We have two different types of articles. They are called as definite article and indefinite article. We call a and an as the indefinite articles. We use a and an to refer to a person or thing for the first time. For example, I received a letter. We call the as the definite article. We use the to refer to the same person or thing again. For example, I received a letter. The letter is from a classmate. Let us learn the rules of using indefinite articles in detail. We use indefinite article a to refer to something for the first time. For example, I saw a dog. To refer to a word which begins with a consonant sound. For example, there is a man and a woman waiting for you. Before a word with a long sound of U. For example, a university, a uniform, a useful book, a European, a unique. Before the word one because one sounds as if it begins with a W, one. For example, a one-way street, a one-eyed monster. We use indefinite article an before a noun which begins with a vowel sound. For example, they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Before a singular noun, person or thing to mean only one in quantity. For example, she is an only child. Before a noun that is representative of a group, species, etc. For example, an ostrich has 2 toes. Before a noun that begins with a silent H. For example, an R, an honest man, and here, an honor. Before abbreviations, some of which begin with a consonant. For example, I saw an UFO hovering above my house. Let us learn usage of the definite article the. When there is only one such person, place, thing. For example, the President of the United States, the North Pole, the Earth. Before names of famous buildings, etc. For example, the Lotus Temple, the Great Wall of China. Before a singular noun that refers to a whole class or group of people or things. For example, the Canadians, the Hindus. Before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, groups of islands. For example, the Dead Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas. Before abbreviations and initials of countries. For example, the BBC, the British Broadcasting Corporation, the UK, the USA.